If you're into live looping and you want realistic sounding drums that feel natural and dynamic, but you don't want the stress of having to build a drum loop every time you play, then this might be exactly what you're looking for.
Now I wanna ride with you, dance to hill to dust, and I wanna ride with you. Now I wanna dance the night away. Now I wanna dance the night away.
This is Pop Drummer by Lumbeat running inside of Loopy Pro, and it might be the closest thing I've found to replacing something like a Beat Buddy pedal on an iPad setup. You get realistic drum grooves, fills, pattern changes, and the ability to switch sections live at the touch of a button, all while focusing on the actual song instead of trying to become a drummer. Check this out. 1, 2, 3. See, the problem is when most people start live looping, they eventually start looking for some ways to add drums into their performance. And typically that means one of two things. You either start using pre-recorded drum loops, or maybe you start learning how to try and finger drum, or you spend loads of time programming your own one-shots and drum samples. And whilst absolutely all of those approaches can work, the big drawback is you start to feel very static and repetitive. Once you record a drum loop, well, you're kind of locked into it. The groove stays the same, the energy stays the same. And suddenly you find yourself focusing on managing different drum loops rather than just performing the song. And that's where something like Pop Drummer becomes really interesting. Because instead of manually trying to build every drum loop yourself, you've kind of got a dynamic virtual drummer running alongside you during your performance. You can quickly change grooves, trigger fills, switch sections from verse to chorus, even humanize your performance so that it feels much more natural and alive. And when you're first getting started with live looping and even Loopy Pro, having one less thing to worry about can only be a good thing.
Close your eyes and let the rhythm get into you. So
let's actually take a look at what Pop Drummer by Lumbeat is. First up, this is a paid app. I believe it's around £22 on the App Store right now. You can have a free trial period for 7 days if you want to test it first. And Lumbeat are actually a company that I've been aware of for some time because I've been using some of their drum grooves on YouTube. They've just got some nice straight drum grooves that I've been using as an alternative to metronomes in my guitar lessons. Even outside of looping, I can see this being a really useful practice tool, adjusting your tempo, getting a few different grooves, and then maybe practicing your scales, arpeggios, or whatever you're working on. But inside the Loopy Pro environment, this is where things get really interesting. Here it is inside of Loopy Pro, and I love the way you can get going quickly and start auditioning grooves. You can audition a bunch of different drum kits on the right-hand side here. We've got buttons to toggle hi-hats on and off, toggle the snare, add a live fill. We can add some delay to different elements, add some reverb to different elements. Let me just have a quick play around with a few of those buttons. Let's toggle the hats. So it goes to a ride. Let's toggle the snare. Goes to a side stick. Maybe a live fill. Here it comes. We can add reverb to those hi-hats. And the more jam I have, the more it will start to sort of ad-lib. Can add jam effects. And this section here is really cool. You can simply select how many bars before it does its next fill. So say we wanted a fill every 4 bars, we could turn that on. 2, 3. Here we go. So just little features like that are massively important to a live looping setup, because so often the same drum loop over and over again just becomes monotonous, and just having this little bit of movement can really do a lot for your looping. So you've got your different groove banks, and then you can select the rhythm. There's a few preset time signatures available. If you want to create your own patterns, there is an editor where you can go in and add in extra hi-hats, extra kicks, that kind of thing. We've got a bunch of different patterns which you can select down the bottom. You can see the drum kit elements. We've got a mixer so that we can individually control the volume for each drum, reverb amount, pan, the usual kind of stuff. And then there's also some send effects. You've got this jam section which lets you really dial in that live element that we've been talking about. But the most exciting thing for me, and where I've been experimenting with Pop Drummer, are these live pads. Now this allows me, using Loopy Pro, to trigger these different sections when I'm playing live, and I'll do a little demonstration in a short while. I've got this button here set to fill every change, so no fills are going to happen until I trigger that change of section. So when I click on any of these different grooves that I've saved to these pads. So let's have a quick listen to what that sounds like. 1, 2, 3. And if I want a drum fill, it will trigger when it's ready. But let me show you a little live demonstration. I'm working on a Michael Jackson tune at the moment, and I like the idea of having a few different drum grooves, which I'm going to trigger as we go.
Girl, close your eyes and let the rhythm get into you. Don't try and fight it. There ain't nothing that you can do. Relax your mind, lay back and groove with mine. 'Cause when you feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat up now. And I wanna ride with you. Dance to feel to the. And I wanna ride with you. And I wanna dance the night away. And I wanna dance the night away. Yeah, yeah.
So that's Pop Drummer by Lumbeat. I really like this app, but admittedly it's not the cheapest AUV3 app you're going to find on the App Store. But once you start digging into the functionality and what it can add, I do think it's good value. And importantly, I don't think it's just for live looping. Just as a practice tool alone, it's really, really useful. But the biggest thing I like about Pop Drummer is it just makes me focus on playing. I grab a drum groove and I start jamming. I start focusing on the song. Sometimes the drum groove inspires me to play differently. And that's what I've always loved about playing with, obviously, a real band and a real drummer. You often play better parts because you're inspired by that groove. And my average drumming is, not even cutting that. So things like a Pop Drummer can really be a good halfway house. And there's no hard and fast rule that says I have to use a drum machine on every live looping arrangement. I can probably see myself bringing it in for a certain song, a few songs, that kind of thing. But at the moment, I've got some gigs coming up and I just need some drums. So I'll probably test this out and see how I get on. If you want to download this template and take a look at some of the settings I've got set up to trigger the patterns inside of Pop Drummer, then you can do so. I've not mapped every function. There's so much it can do, but this is just kind of basic stuff that I'll be doing inside of Loopy Pro. But as always, thank you so much for watching. If you want to find out how I'm getting that low end from my acoustic guitar, a fake bass that's going on, then please click that video on screen now. As always, have a great week and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.